Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and let's talk about this graduation dress that I made for my daughter. So she graduated on June 3rd from high school, and I am so very proud of her. But for the longest, she told me that she wanted me to make her a dress for graduation. Well, she kept procrastinating, and it kept getting closer to time. She changed her mind a few times, and I was just really pressing her to, hey, let me know what dress you want me to make. I even let her look through pattern books to get some ideas of what she wanted and all that good stuff, okay? She finally decided on a one shoulder dress. And I was like, okay, I have patterns for that. So I let her look through them, see which one she would like. Of course, she was like, I don't like any of those. And I told her, I said, well, don't just really look at the people in the picture or the fabrics, because you can really make it your own with whatever fabric you want to use. Just picture it, on you. And so I'd been looking through my Sew It Academy courses, and maybe like a week before, I remembered, hey, there's a course in the Sew It Academy that teaches you how to make a one shoulder dress. Speaking of Sew It Academy, if you are interested in sewing or brushing up on any of your sewing skills, or want to get your hands on some of those exclusive patterns that are for Sew It Academy students only, then sign up for Sew It Academy. It is very affordable. The good thing that I like about Sew It Academy is that it offers you a free trial. And I think you can take the first 5 courses for free, and you don't even have to enter any credit card information. So if you are interested in checking out the Sew It Academy, use my link in the description box below, and let's get you started. So my daughter decided on this one shoulder dress, and I went into the Sew It Academy, and it is actually lesson number 76. Did I also mention that you can skip around through courses? You can take them in order or skip around however you want to do it. But I will say that if you are new or beginning, I would suggest going in order for the first few classes, because each class does build on the skills of the previous class. So just keep that in mind. This one shoulder dress pattern is a PDF pattern, and it is exclusive to Sew It Academy students. And I forget how many pages it is printed out, but it was fairly easy to put together. Didn't take me long at all. And it is actually only 4 pattern pieces. Yeah, your front, your back, you have your neckband, and then your armband. This pattern is a one shoulder dress or top, and it comes in sizes 00 through size 34. And I'll put the fabric recommendations here for you. This pattern is designed for the shoulder to be on your right side. She absolutely loved this dress. I was trying to get her to pick a fabric that had some print. She chose black, and I know a lot of things I do here on this channel have been in solid colors and black, but I'm trying to get into some more colorful things and some prints. But hey, it was her day. I let her do her thing. Yeah. So let me show you what the main pattern pieces look like. This is that main pattern piece, and it is meant to be kind of a long dress. I don't know if you can really, how much of this you can see, but my daughter wanted hers to stop at her knees. So I did mark here where her waist was from her shoulder point, not her shoulder point, but from her armpit to her waist. I measured that, and I marked where her waist would be, cut across, and then I made notes here that it is 22 inches down from her waist to where she wants her dress to stop. So I did that, and she wanted it more fitted than straight, so I also had to take that in. Now I did make a size 10 in this pattern according to the measurements, but I could have probably made a size 8 just so it fit a little bit more snug. My daughter is very busty, but she's slim the rest of the way down. So I think she would have done better maybe in a size 8. And also the top was just a little loose, not loose where it was falling down. It still laid flat on her and fit, but I could have gotten a little more snug fit where it was more secure at the top. I think I'm going to keep the dress that I made for her, and I'm going to make her a size 8. So your back looks the same way. This is the front piece, and then like I said, you have your armband and your neckband. Very easy to construct. I think I put the pattern together one day, and the second day I cut it out and made it up. Before I made her dress, I did a mock to see how it would fit on me. I think I've shown you guys this dress that I'm wearing before, and like I said, me and my daughters all share this dress. So I knew that if I made the top and it fit me, it would fit her as well. And let me show you that. So for the mock-up, I made this. I made just the top only to eliminate using a lot of fabric in case it did not fit. So I used this. I did not finish it with the armband or any hemming because it was just a mock and I was trying it for myself. And let me slip this on for you and show you how it fits. All right, this is the top. This is how it fits. And around to the back for you. I did like the top that I made for myself, and I do plan on finishing the top with an armband and a shoulder band and putting that hem in there. I think it's great. I think it's an excellent print to add to my collection. My daughter absolutely loved her dress. Brittany J. Jones did a great job with the tutorial in the Sewed Academy. She even showed you the modification that she made by shortening the band around the neckband. And I did the same, and I'm glad I did, because had I not, it would probably be too loose. So I would make that suggestion if you try this pattern. I believe she shortened hers by 3 inches, and I did the same. Go ahead and grab this pattern for yourself. Like I said, the Sewed Academy is cheap. It is less than $12 a month. So go ahead and sign up and let's get sewing.